64 Annual Conference 2025 Dimakuchi BODO SAHITYA SABHAनि 64 Annual Conference 2025 मायथाइया जादों दिमाकुचियाव उदालगुरि डिस्ट्रिक्ट दिमाकुचियाव सो बेवहाय मोनसे इन्टारेस्टिं नुनो मोनदों बेवहाय गुबुन गुबुन हादरनि आफ्रिकानिबो दङ बांलादेशनिबो दङ गुबुन गुबुन हादरफोरनि मंगोलियानि दङ बै हादरफोरनि हाई कमिशनार एबा एम्बासाडरफोरखौ एम्बासाडर हाई कमिशनार बेबायदि माने लिंहरनानै बिसोरखौ बेवहाय मान बावदों बरायदों आरनाय होदों आरो बिथांमोननिफ्राय एसे बिबुंथि लादों आरो बिसोरखौ बेवहाय दिन्थिदों आरो बर'नि कालचारखौ बिथांमोननि सिगाङाव दिन्थिदों आरो बिसोरो गोबां बाख्नायदों जों बेबायदि नुनो मोनदों स' आंनि माने साननायाव जाहैबाय मा जोंनि बर'नि जि कालचार जोंनि जि स्टेटास जोंनि जि थासारि जोंनि जि अबस्था जोंनि जि हारिमु थुनलाइ बेखौ मुलुग दरबाराव दिन्थिनायानो जाबाय बेनि गुबै उद्देश्यआ अबजेक्टिभा थांखिया गोदोनि समफोराव जों बेबायदि गुबुन हादरारि सुबुंफोरजों बेबायदि जोङो कअपारेसन खालामनो स्कप मोनाखैमोन आथिखालाव जोंनि बर'फोरा आसामाव मोनसे टक्कर होदों आरो कालचारेलाव माने हारिमुआनो जा थुनलाइयानो जा बुहुमनि लेभेलाव जों थांनो थाखाय गोबां नाजादों आरो बिनिखायनो बेबायदि खामानिफोरखौ थारैनो बर' साहित्य सभाया बर' थुनलाइ आफादा बेबायदि मावदों आरो बे गोनांथि दङ दरकार दङ गोदोनि समावनो जों बेफोरखौ मावनांगौमोन बेबायदि जों रोंनांगौमोन नाथाय बै समाव जों एसेबां आइडिया रोङाखैमोन जोङो मा समनि फाखनाव बेखौ रोंबाय आरो दिनै दिन्थिबाय स' नोंथांमोना बे भिडिअखौ नायनानै जानो हागौ नोंथांमोना निउसाव नुखाबाय आंनियावबो नोंथांमोना नायबावदो स' जोबोर इन्टारेस्टिं भिडिअ आरो बेवहाय नोंथांमोना मोनसे मोजां मोसानायबो नुगोन आरो बिथांमोना मा बुंदों बेखौबो नुगोन स' बे भिडिअखौ नुनानै थारैनो आं मोजां नांदों गोसोआ स' बुहुमनि गुबुन गुबुन हादरावबो जोंनि बर'नि कालचारखौथ' मिथिसिगोन बे बाथ्राया रोखा गोदोनि समाव माने जोंखौ बांद्राय स्कप होआमोन आरो नाथाय आथिखालाव लाखिनो हालिया सोलोंथायाव जों रोंखा राखा जाबाय नालाय जोंनि कालचार थुनलाइखौबो जोङो मुलुग दरबाराव लांनो हासिगोन बे मोनसे फोथायनाय दङ बर' थुनलाइ आफादा बेखौ जाफुंसिगोन बेबायदि जों साननो हायो लोगोफोर नोंथांमोना खोनासं नाय थारैनो बेवहाय बर' हारिनि थाखाय बेसेबां ओंथि गोनां बेवहाय सोमजिखांदों ओंथि गोनां मोनसे खामानि बेयो बे ओंथिखौ नोंथाङा बुजिनो नाजा जुदि जों बुहुमाव गोख्रोङै गसंथानोबा जों मुलुग दरबारालागै थांनो हानांगोन लोगोफोर अब्लासो जोङो फिउचाराव गसंथानो हागोन
And now our आसा सिबिजाथाव रायजो नोंथांमोन जोंहा गोबांथार हादोरनि एम्बासाडर आरो हाई कमिशनारफोर जायफ्रा भारतआव राष्ट्रदूत हिसाबै दंफैयो भारतजों सोमोन्दोआव बेनि जोंनि माखासे हादरनि दिनै जोंनि बर' साहित्य सभायाव जोंनि हारिमुखौ नायनो फैदों जोंखौ मोनथिनो फैदों आरो जोंनि माखासे मानसिफोरजों खोथा बाथ्रा एक्सचेन्ज खालामलायनो फैदों ओंखायनो बिथांमोनखौ जोङो बरायनो नागिरदों गिबियावनो ओमफ्राय जोंनि गेजेराव जों बयबो बुङो ना बर'फ्रा मंगलियानि मंगलिय बर'फ्रा मंगलिय जोंहा मंगलियनि एम्बासाडर फैदों नै मोनथिबायना मिस्टार गान्धाव I request Asma so just wait Asma will introduce one after another we have our honorable retired governor Ranjit Sekhar Masahari here the IPS retired IPS officer so I request Asma to introduce them before us.
First of all, I would like to introduce Excellency Mongolia. His Excellency Honorable Ambassador to India. Please come forward and introduce yourself, sir. His Excellency Ambassador of Chile in India. Oh, okay. Sir, please, sir, I'm just speaking in English. Sorry, Chile, Ambassador of Chile. Yes, Chile Adoni. Yeah. Okay. Now I would like to request to introduce Ambassador of Lesotho. His Excellency Lesotho. Would like to introduce Ambassador Congo. Congo, Embassy of Congo. Mr. Sriya Kampala. Let me introduce Ambassador of Chad, Mr. Hussein Saido. His Excellency, Her Excellency, Ambassador of Cameroon, Madam Sylvia. Mrs. Penda from Embassy of Gambia. Ambassador, His Excellency, Ambassador, the Deputy Ambassador of Bangladesh High Commissioner, Mr. Nurul Amin.
Bangladesh, Guwahati of Thai Vitana Guwahati Assistant High Commissioner.
Then, Miss Rukaya Mustafa, Embassy of Nigeria.
Please come.
Mr. Rafael Asamuddin, Embassy of Mozambique. Mr. Adnan Afzal, Embassy of Bangladesh. Ma'am, spouse of Ambassador Sealy. Sir Afzal from the, sorry. Sir, I would like to introduce the diplomat from the Kazakhstan Embassy. So, thank you very much. All the diplomat excellencies.
Please have a seat. Mazadari dinama moनसे आरो बिथाङा गासैखौबो कोअर्डिनेट खालामनानै जयै लानानै खायद सभा आमार डिसिसन कमिटि आमै अनुरोध কৰা মৰ্মে সকলৰ লগত কোঅर्डिनेट কৰি পালে একেবাৰতে
Ini jorong pun nggak ada mana no?
Honorable Embassy and ladies and gentlemen, at this moment we are going to present a beautiful BODO dance which is called Dahal Tulbi Sibnai Masale. Now dancer to perform their beautiful dance.
बारे में भी, but sir अभी बोलेंगे, maybe I will try to explain. Yes, I can translate.
First of all, I'm greatly happy to be here. Every time I come to Assam, I feel like home, seeing friendly faces, the hospitality, and of course the faces similar to mine, which gives us big pleasure of our common history. And every time, when I receive the invitation of the honorable speaker, old friend of mine, I couldn't resist, so I'm here. And I'm happy to be part of this BODO SAHITYA SABHA literacy festival, given the importance that the Mongolians give to the education, literacy. I'm happy and privileged to be here and to be part of this big celebration. I'm happy to see the young boys and girls who are so keen to learn, so looking forward to get education. So I'm happy to be a part of it, and I'm looking forward for my next visit back to Assam. Thank you.
So he is very happy to be here. Now may I please welcome Honorable Speaker from the Embassy of Chile in India. Sir,
Assam Assembly for the invitation. So far, the experience in Assam has been great and fantastic. This is my first time here in Assam, despite being 6 years in India already. I came from Chile, which is a very far away country in South America. It's 35 hours flight time from here to my country. But in a way, I am connected with you because this is a literature festival, and Chile is a country of poets and writers. Maybe some of you will know Pablo Neruda, which is our famous Nobel Prize. We have 2 Nobel Prizes. And when I came here and I asked for the colors of the that were here in the tent, and I was told that one stands for peace, one stands for fraternity, and one stands for tradition. These are very universal values. So I feel immediately connected with the festival and the people here in Bodo County. So thank you very much, and I hope to come again, and congratulations for the preservation of tradition, which is very important in our days. Thank you very much. Thank you.
little bit Bangla, Hindi also let me speak. Yeah, Bangla bolen, sir. Honorable Excellency from the Bangladesh High Commission, he will speak in Bangla. I think every people they understand Bangla, right? Yeah, they're very happy.
তো আমি শুরুতেই এখানকার স্পিকার এবং আয়োজকদেরকে ধন্যবাদ জানাচ্ছি আমাদেরকে এখানে আমন্ত্রণ জানানোর জন্য। আপনারা জানেন যে এখানে একটা বাংলাদেশের কালচারাল গ্রুপ ঢাকা থেকে এসেছে, তারা পারফর্মও করেছে। তো এটা দিয়ে বোঝা যায় দেশের যে নৈকট্য, সাংস্কৃতিক নৈকট্য কতটা গভীর। তো যাই হোক, আমি বড় লিটারেচার যে ফেস্টিভ্যালটা হচ্ছে এটা প্রকল্প সাফল্য কামনা করছি, সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ জানাচ্ছি।
Thank you, Excellency. This is not for Cameron, she is from Boroland. Hi everybody. I'm from Boroland. So I'm Boroland. I'm Kamulo Boroland. So thank you very much for inviting me to this program. I would like also to thank all the organizers and this cultural performance. So, you know, literature is up to date in the world today, even in Cameroon. So thank you very much for inviting me, and good success.
Good evening and namaste. I feel greatly honored to have been invited to this conference, and I want to thank Dr. Asma and the speaker for having invited us to
to spend a weekend in Assam, away from the pollution in Delhi. Last night